Yeah, brother, you don't know a real border cat I represent for Jamaica Gate. Present Chef Wayne, Versive, Sun Kai, father and son, seafood, cook-off. Yeah, you don't know, so the place to be at Arlington, Texas, January 18, 2021, from 11 till 12 p.m., brother. You don't know, real border cat says so. Bless up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, it's a pre-sold ticket of $15, brother, at the door. $25. Remember, so you get a plate of your choice featuring DJ Skumboom, DJ Jim Brown. Rise man and rise man and rise to the top. Style and standard never yet drop. Rise man and rise man and rise to the top. Sick up your Brooksy and border cat.
Rising, rising, keep rising. Every minute you are here. Border cat got the power.
Rising, rising.
Big up Sick Up Your Music, you know. We out of Texas, you know, Jamaica Gates, you know. Big up, you know. Border Cat, Brooksy, Jer, Prafo. Don't know the chap go down. Yeah, man, Sick Up Your.
So that breadfruit tree there, I'm grown.
Yeah. Can't be nothing else.
And coconut tree. And what's that man?
You say my plant a ripe tree. My plant a ripe tree.
Top of crime look like grown up there.
Yes, that's what look like green. Yes. Crime a shoot.
Better grown up a crime. Fuck ya, Jerry. And crime now have a farm.
Man say him have him grown. So we look good. And I say,
yeah, and grown when walk, man.
Grown grown when walk.
Yeah, grown when walk, man.
When walk. Oh, when walk.
Yeah, you know plan.
Okay, okay. I'm a plan. Nothing.
Yeah, grown when walk,
It's
man.
wrong.
Yeah.
I get it wrong.
Oh, then.
I drunk with Jerry walk. Oh, okay, I will plan.
I know when plant, man.
Yeah. Mr. Deadman? Come here, say.
Eddie.
If I feel grown that.
Yeah.
Spit to
No good grown.
Yes, no man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You want to go up to go find scandal bag full of shit, man.
Yeah.
What that you have up there about that ground? One little straight breadfruit tree. Me a look up pat.
So you not see cane and something of them?
Yeah.
Where?
And cassava.
Bungo tree.
And cassava, man, have in a ground.
Brooksy not good enough. Look over something you see up by the man.
A long-term crop.
Yes.
And my one see that. And then
Jerry!
oh, me see a plant grown now. I'm planting mango tree.
Long-term crop, man.
Long term something, man.
Brother.
And you, them are inherit this, man.
Which youth? Great grand youth. No youth, brother. Mango tree no take no for ripe and ready for cut down by another brother. Oh.
Jerry, then they all laugh off for you, you know.
You know their farm.
Let's take up by your farm. And see how one breadfruit tree up there.
One breadfruit tree. We know, I mean,
Cassava. Cassava.
And cassava.
Where?
So you not see no planting. None of dashi, none of them something there.
Oh. I have cocoa. Wanna blue card?
And a palm. then, which part you think is right? I get it, you know?
No.
Yeah. The man don't talk with you.
Where you go, man?
Where Granny?
You know, trouble me. And a palm house. Remember palm house, they're on the top side of your work under, you know. So wife me say just on the palm, you know, understand the reasoning. Yeah, make it something look like me I put you wrong place. Eh? Me no know, brother, because me don't look to see your farm. But now you make me know see you so far up in there.
You never know.
We never know.
Why, dear?
Brooksy show me you're going, you know.
I am tell me say this so me feel look, you know. I am tell
No, Sika said that I must see one where you walk pan. Yeah. That we see.
I am tell me say this so you're ground there, you know, this your work, you know.
Yeah.
So me I look up, so me I say to them boys, see a Jerry Grung that.
The win share. You win today, man.
Man, same now have no ground.
Man have Grung. Man have 2 breadfruit tree plant. What carry seed? We? You carry seed, not me. Me a fruit.
Yes,
So me can go plant you.
Me can plant you and you grow.
Yeah, man, plant me, man.
Yeah, what kind of seed?
You want to know?
Man seed.
You want to know my seed?
Yeah, no, me want to know you what kind of
Me
seed.
know, me no seed. Me have seed. And that me tell you.
Seed or what?
Me have seed. Me have seed.
You have seed?
Yeah.
Where you get that from?
Yeah.
Yeah, under my foot, you don't know that.
From where?
Right, you walk pan? Who give you that? Who give you that seed? Right, you walk pan?
Or you give me it, cat.
Me?
Yeah, you give
Me I want give a seed.
You give me one, Brooksy, give me one.
How comes?
You know, that's why me
So
have
me,
2
did,
seed.
me get
give me one,
seed
you
from
give me one.
Figgy.
So we peer up. We peer up.
And Guinea, and then something.
And plum.
Yeah, we peer up.
You
Not
don't know where you have.
we peer up.
You know where you have.
Seed.
Alright.
Peer seed.
Alright, you say that. Too.
Yeah. So the same seed you have.
How comes?
But there's no seed.
No, you say you have seed. So that must be same.
You know what?
Me no in the argument.
Are you
Me
starting?
no in the argument. You put
What
it
we
to
was
a
talking
different
about?
limit. You put it
What
to a
we were
different
talking
limit.
about?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit seed.
Me never talk about no jackfruit
You said
seed.
jackfruit
Nut.
not carry seed.
Me say jackfruit nut. Me never say nothing
Oh,
about no
not.
jackfruit seed. You know.
Jackfruit a peanut.
You are put it your way and that me I tell you, brother.
Jackfruit no carry seed.
The things them in a eat a what? Where name?
No nut.
Jackfruit nut.
How it
Alright,
becomes
Jerry.
by now?
Alright, Jerry. Yeah, him say a nut jackfruit carry. Pear too.
Yeah.
Pear carry nut.
All of them something there.
Star apple too.
Plum.
Everything I know.
Alright, see that's a come with the jackfruit ya people. Something we can cook.
Yeah, everything.
Indian cook jackfruit in a curry. Who and him attack you
No
know?
man, him a look pan you.
You don't know why you want to hear where him a
Me
say.
no
Me
hear
no
you.
hear. Me no hear. Me no
You put
hear.
on the tape me, Brooks. Me no
Me no depend that with you.
Brooksy have camera.
Me no depend that with you, Jerry. Me not tape you, Jerry.
Brooksy have camera.
Me no hear.
record, no camera, record.
So me a tape record.
As close as me and you is and you a talk. Me not hear if you not talk to me.
To me.
Alright, yeah.
So when me a listen your conversation for
And you not talk
me
to
a
me.
fits.
You're deaf?
Me a no
You're
fits.
not deaf, brother. So you must hear.
Me
from
not
you're
deaf, Jerry. Me
You
mind
must
it on
hear.
something
Me lock
else.
off me
All the while,
ears.
so.
Yeah man, me mind it on something else,
Me lock
brother.
off me ears.
You know say
can't
your
lock off
mind
ears.
can lock off your whole body.
You don't have to tell me
Alright, then me
So
no
we
lock
are
off,
say.
brother. Me no
Me lock
need
off
hear a
me
man
ears.
conversation. So me lock off my body to the
That's why I know me have to
conversation,
buy
man.
hearing aid phone or something.
Me no need hearing aid for hear my conversation.
Or my business.
Yeah, but me need hearing aid for hear your own. You want me hear your conversation? Buy me a pair of hearing aid. Yeah, man.
No conversation.
But me no open up ears to your conversation,
Share
brother.
with your brother.
You want me open up ears to your
No
conversation?
share no conversation.
Buy me hearing aid, then I see me no leg of your business pan public. Yeah,
kind of
man.
business?
Me no know you no must have your business where you are,
Me have
Jerry.
business. What kind of business you have?
Where you want to advertise, where you want me here. Remember me a man have published things, you know. So when me catch things I publish, people give me it for publish, you know.
So you know have nothing where you not tell cat.
Yeah.
Me and cat now hold no business.
You know it me ask Jerry.
Yeah.
If you don't have nothing where you not tell cat.
What if I something say you want?
Me never say where you tell me no.
The man never say where you
Yeah,
tell me,
no.
where you not tell me.
What if
Yeah.
I something you want me tell you more?
You know that me say man if you don't have nothing where you not tell
Okay.
cat.
What if I something me not tell you?
Yeah, no tell cat all your business after that. He must sell you know. Guy is a publisher.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Man say not tell him your business. where you don't want him to publish.
Yeah, me a publisher, Jerry, so you must expect say your
That means
business.
when I gone for my own, no man, no Cossery or Blake.
Pan your own, oh, you're there pan your own, pan
Long
your
time.
mother win your man.
Hey.
Yeah,
But when
man.
you're gone, pan one.
Oh,
so
pan one.
you never there for your own all the while.
Alright, brother.
You have something you want to publish?
You did there
must
for your
know,
own long
you
time.
must know,
Then you
brother.
come like your big stew, me no want to publish nothing for you, Jerry.
You must know.
You have something you want to publish? Tell me, Jerry. Because I'm willing to publish something for you.
You know everything.
What me know, Jerry? What me know?
Talk no man.
Me no know nothing what to publish for you, Jerry.
Him same no have no
You
back.
have store,
So I must go that you have to publish for him.
you have some.
Yo, brother.
Me want to publish something for you.
Yes, sir. Who tell us that me I go that side?
Yeah, man, me case make me get to publish something for you.
Say neither have bottom.